Trig has two things going for it: triangles and circles. We're going to be focusing on the circle here, or the unit circle. It's called that because this line, the radius, has a length of 1, meaning that the whole area of the circle is equal to pi. The reason for that is because the area of a circle is pi r squared. So let's do the calculations here. The radius is 1, 1 squared is 1, and 1 times pi is pi. So the radius of a circle is always 1, and the area of a circle is always pi. Now, now we're going to be focusing on these two lines in the area radius in the circle: sine and cosine. Sine on a graph, if you graph it, it looks like this. Cosine on a graph, if you graph it, it looks like this. These two lines look very similar, but sine is lagging from cosine a bit. These two lines oscillate from each other, and that's going to be very important. So let's put this into practice. Patterns. So right here, you can see that he's kind of bouncing a bit. That's what I meant by zigzag patterns. And on the top left, you can see that the circle, the two lines I mentioned, they're going from left to right and up and down. That's what that oscillating pattern was from before. Since these lines are going back and forth, we can use these lines to make something go forever back and forth again. So that's why the man is going up and down, up and down, up and down, and side to side, again and again. Trigonometry can also be used for other things, such as finding location, using satellites, finding positions or direction. It can be used a lot of things, but mainly what I use it for is to make an oscillating pattern. So discrete math is kind of difficult to explain. It's math and not in a way. It's very it's binary. It's how computers work. So let me explain this to you. So we have this upside down U, which means intersection or means and. So let's say if I have milk and flour, I can make pancakes. In the actual computer world, it would be if 1 and 1 are true, that means the sequence must be true. Just like I said, if you have both milk and you have flour, you can make pancakes. If you don't have milk but you have flour, you can't make pancakes. That in computer world will be if 0 and 1, that means it's false. If 0 is false, but you have 1, it's still false because both things have to be true. It's an intersection. It's and. It's an intersection, meaning that both things have to cross over. And we can use this normal oriented U, which means union. That means or. It means this or that or both. So let's do this. If I have milk or water, I can drink. The computer will be if 1 or 1 are true, that means the sequence must be true. If both things are true, then it's true. If I have milk but I don't have water, I can still drink something. In the computer world, if 0 is false but the other one is true, the sequence must be true. Just like I can drink milk even if I don't have water. That's kind of how this great math works. It's binary. So that's the most simplest I can do it, but please research it on your own.